5 steps that you can use to start making money online right now. Q4 is coming up. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm Sonny T, and this is the #1 place for entrepreneurs on the planet, period. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button to get notifications when I upload videos. I think you're gonna like what you're gonna see. Let's jump right into it. Step #1 is you need to catch trends. Now, I know that this sounds complicated, and I'm gonna just keep it 100% real with you. When I first started online, I went to go get trending magazines and try to catch trends, and I Googled it. Stop. Don't Google anything. It's not necessary for you to Google anything. The best information that you can get right now to find out what's trending is right here for free all along the internet. So the first steps are, #1, to use Google Trends. This is the tool that you're going to use after you already kind of get an idea. You can try to sniff out an idea on what's popular right now. But the #1 tool that you can use is start following guys like me. Man, I don't know what it is, why some people will not continue to receive emails from their favorite guru. Oh, I'm tired, or unsubscribing. Those are the guys that are ahead of the 8 ball. They're ahead of the game. They know what's trending. And you can see way ahead of time. Like, I'll give you an idea. I could see that chatbots were trending 1.5, 2 years ago. And I gave it, just go look on my channel right now. I gave the information on my channel, how to start a chatbot agency, and people started making chatbot agencies before they were trending. And here's a tip though, they're still trending right now. I was 2 years early on that. Another tip that I can give you right now, what's going on, is that YouTube advertising is on the rise. Facebook advertising, ads are getting crazy, the prices are getting crazy, so people are starting to move over to YouTube. How is it possible that I know that? Because I subscribe to everybody. Subscribe to all the gurus in your niche and find out what they're talking about. One last thing I'm going to tell you how I spotted a trend the other day was, well, 2 more. Jeff Walker did a product launch, and I had no idea, except for that I follow most of the guys that do affiliate marketing for him. So I got on the bandwagon, signed up for his affiliate marketing, and started selling his product right during the launch. Another one was, there was a copywriting software I saw by some of the gurus that I follow in their email marketing, and I saw that the software was trending. I went and found out exactly where to sign up, and I made $1,500, almost $1,600 from that campaign. Just a quick rundown to go sign up. So what I mean by trending doesn't mean that you need to go see some 50-year trend. I saw that I had an audience for that software. I thought this would be great for my tribe. It's inexpensive. I want to get behind this product, and I made a little bit of money with that product because I spotted the trends. That's the first thing you should do. Look for the trends, get on everybody's email list, get all your industry rags, find out who's doing what, watch all the videos, and you'll see it. It'll be 5 or 6 different people that'll start talking about the same thing. As soon as you see that, jump on it. #2. Now that we know what's trending, we're going to identify those products that we know. So you just heard me talk about YouTube, or software for copywriting, or Jeff Walker product launch formula. So those 3 products. Now, how is it possible that I could sell those products? I can't really sell YouTube ads unless I make a course for myself. But if you're uncomfortable doing that, all you have to do is go find somebody that is selling a YouTube course. That's one of the first things that you can do. Go find Jeff Walker and sign up for his affiliate program. Go look and find out how to sign up for that software that I sold. I just was nosy enough to find out, Googled it, found out did they have an affiliate program. They did have an affiliate program. So now that I've spotted the trends, I found the products, now I need to source the product. That's gonna be #3. I wanna source the products. How can I find the products? Once I find the products, then that's a better way of doing things. So now how are you going to do that? Just kind of reverse engineer things, man. Just once you find a trend, start Googling the item on that trend. You'll see websites, look down at the bottom, find affiliate programs, or hack your favorite guru like Sonny T. Find out what he's doing to sell his product. If you're good enough to start making a course, or if you can source a product, let's say this is a physical product, right? It might not be a digital download. I like digital downloads myself, but what if you find out that Sawzalls, how did I come up with that? Hacksaws, or a certain kitchen gadget, or water hoses are trending in your niche, right? And you find out that this water hose is trending. How do you source that product? Well, we already know you can just go to AliExpress, try to find it in China, try to find an Indian producer to find it where you can source it at a cheap cost. And that's how you're going to start doing your search. Now, how you can do that, number one, is you can start off on Amazon, all these marketplaces, start off on eBay. There's a couple of websites, and I'll list the websites below in the comment section or in the description, where you can go find out what's trending on eBay. What products are people following the most? Let's just say, for instance, you're in the survival niche and you'll see a knife or a tent or something like that that's trending. Over 5,000 people have it watched. It's on their watch list or something like that. Then you know that's trending. Go find it on AliExpress, source the product, and then we're going to get to step number 4. You need a website, or you need a marketplace. You don't necessarily need a website, but you need a marketplace or a landing page in order to get this product sold. So that means that you can either make a landing page yourself. You can go use Shopify if you want to. I wouldn't, because it's just too damn expensive. Now, we'll get to the part where whether or not you're going to need money and what the budget is for this in a minute. So just stick with me until I get down there. I'm almost done. So what I want to tell you about now is you can use eBay, you can use Amazon, you can use your own landing page, you can use Shopify. But one of the tricks that I did, and I learned this from a friend of mine a long time ago, always put your products on YouTube, put them on Amazon, put them on eBay, whether you're going to sell the products there or not, because those are huge search engines. And you can always put your website or a product name, and when people go find it, they'll want to see if they can deal with you direct. So you can use YouTube, Amazon, eBay, and places like that, Etsy, and places like that, to get people to head to your Shopify store. So always list there anyways. But now that you have a landing page or a marketplace in order to sell your product, here we go to step number 5, and that is a marketing angle. A lot of people don't think about a marketing angle, and maybe you don't even know what that is, so I'm going to break it down for you right now. How are you going to position this product in the market so people have to have it today? Nobody wants to buy your camera. Nobody wants to buy your headphones. Nobody wants to buy your laptop computer or your kitchen gadget. They have to have it. It's an emotional thing. Nobody wants to buy a flashlight. How could you market a flashlight, right? So, but to be honest with you, flashlights sold really big in 2017. And the reason why they sold so big is because, number one, they sold them for security. You could be killed unless you buy this flashlight. So there's a thing that's called the Life Force 8. And with the Life Force 8, these are conditions in life that we want stock. Things that we just want to have in order to live. Extension of life, being comfortable, food, drink, the love of loved ones, companionship, so on and so forth. I'll flash it on the screen right now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And what you want to do is, inside that Life Force 8, is find out how can you angle your product for that. Freedom from fear or pain. Obviously, when you have some type of supplemental product that can take care of a pain, of people that are afflicted in pain, you have to hit that pain point. You can't just say, take my supplements. They're the greatest thing since sliced bread. It's not going to work. Nancy and I saw an ad one day that was incredible. The ad started off with, she doesn't remember you anymore and she's about to die, or something like that. It was morbid, but it really caught my attention. And then there was a picture of a brain with a big black hole. And it talked about she's not going to remember you tomorrow because she has Alzheimer's or something like that. And that really, really got you into the ad to find out exactly what is this talking about. And then the solution was the supplement. It might sound crazy, but people buy from emotions, and that is your marketing angle. Sometimes you might not get a sale, but you just change a few words. To give you an example, I just told you about a flashlight. Years ago, we had a guy that put a flashlight on the end of a vacuum cleaner, and he thought that that was going to be the best product ever. He wanted to use the flashlight on the end of a vacuum cleaner so you could see underneath the couch or chairs to reach with your vacuum cleaner. Well, take the flashlight off of the vacuum cleaner, put it in your hand, and say that you can save your family's life with this flashlight, or you can save the life of your dog by having a flashlight at night so motorists can see you, yada, yada, yada. Nancy had an idea a long time ago, or her stepfather had an idea a long time ago to put a light on a dog collar a long time ago, and protecting the life of your pet. People love their pets, right? And that's how you angle. And that's what a marketing angle is. Right now is a good time for me to tell you that if you like this video, like it, smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click the bell button to get notifications when I upload these videos. Share this video, man. Sharing is caring. Somebody might need to know how to make money right now in this video. Do it for them. And the last thing I'm going to tell you, man, is this entrepreneurship thing is an everyday thing, man. No excuses, no explanations. Let's get it done.